Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today, I am bringing you a healthy and delicious Nigerian okra soup made without palm oil. This version is packed with rich flavor from mushrooms, shrimp, roasted chicken, beef, and shaki. If you are looking for a lighter, nutritious way to enjoy okra soup, you are in the right place. Let's get started. Before we start cooking, let me introduce you to the ingredient we'll be using. Mushroom strips, roasted chicken, beef and shaki, vegetable fresh spinach, fresh okra, seasoning cube, ground pepper, ground crayfish and salt. In a pot, I will add the beef and shaki together, season with chopped onion and seasoning cubes and salt. Then add water and let it boil until tender.
Cooking with passion, loving every dish. NK Joy's Kitchens got your every wish. Beats that make you move, taste that make you groove. In this kitchen party, you got nothing to lose. NK Joy's Sweet Kitchen, feel the Afro beat. Every bite a journey, can't stay in your seat. Dancing through the flavors.
So now I will add the chicken to the beef. So now I will chop some of the okra, grate some for texture, blend the rest with a little water for smoothness. So now, once the beefs are cooked, I will set them aside. Now let's put everything together and make this delicious oil-free okra soup. In the pot with the chicken, with the beef broth, I will add ground crayfish and ground pepper. Add the mushroom and allow them to cook for a few minutes until soft. So now, first I'll add the grated okra, stir. Next, I will add the blended okra and continue stirring.
It's a feast for the ears. Every tune, every taste, wipe away fears. NK Joy's Sweet Kitchen, feel the Afro beat. Every bite a journey, can't stay in your seat. Dancing through the flavors, spice up your soul. In this kitchen, let the good times roll.
Now I will add the chopped spinach and a bit of water, stirring continuously to maintain the soup smooth texture.
Beats that make you move, taste that make you groove. In this kitchen party, you got nothing to lose. NK Joy's Sweet Kitchen, feel the Afro beat. Every bite a journey, can't stay in your seat. Dancing through the flavors, spice up your soul. In this kitchen, let the good times roll.
So now I'll add the shrimp, for extra flavor.
Here's a little something for you. In the
I'll add the roasted chicken,
where the flavors sway,
beef, and shaki.
NK Joy's sweet kitchens got the beats to
Stir everything together and let it cook for a few more minutes.
every dish a symphony, oh we don't compare. NK Joy's sweet kitchen, feel the Afro beat.
I will give the soup
Every bite a
one final stir, making sure everything is well combined.
spice up your soul in this kitchen, let the good times roll. From the sizzle of the pan to the rhythm of the drum, NK Joy sweet kitchens where the magic comes from. Herbs and melodies blend, it's a feast for the ears. Every tune, every taste, wipe away your fears. NK Joy sweet kitchen, feel the Afro beat.
Look at this beauty. No oil, yet rich, flavorful, and full of nutrients. This soup is perfect with any swallow, eba, fufu, semo, or even with agidi and amala. So now I will season with seasoning cubes and salt to taste. Allow it to simmer for more minutes.
Taste that make you groove in this kitchen party. You got nothing to lose. NK Joy sweet kitchen, feel the Afro beat. Every bite a journey, can stay in your seat. Dancing through the flavors, spice up your soul in this kitchen. Let the good times roll.
And then you have it. Delicious, healthy, and oil-free Nigerian okra soup with spinach. If you have loved this recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Drop your comment in the comment section below and let me know if you have been trying it. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and share with your friends and loved ones. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button
In the sweet kitchen, where the flavors sway. NK Joy sweet kitchens got the beats.
and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a recipe from me.
Every dish a symphony, oh we don't compare.
I will see you in my next video. And thanks for watching. Bye.